For the C, the mass of the problem is measured. So we have 200. Estimate the mean. So if we have group data, we have to find the mean data first. So this one is 50 plus 110. Wait, 2. So it is 80. So the mid data here it is 80. And then the other one is 110 plus 200. 155. And then the other one is 250. So the mean is 80 times 60 plus 155 times 99 plus 250 times 41 over the total frequency is 200. So it's equals to 80 times 60 times 60 plus 1 times 9 plus times 41 100. So I got here it is 151.975 gram. Okay, that's for the CI. Frequency density histogram. So okay, for this one. So remember that frequency density. Frequency density, the formula is frequency divided by the class width. Okay, so the first one, the frequency density will be 60 over, this is 60, so equals to 1. And then the second one should be frequency 99 over, this is 90. So 99 divided by 9. So we got 1.1. And then the last one is frequency divided by the class width, so 0.41. Okay, so from 50 until 1, we already got 1. And then for the second one, 110 until 200. So it is 1.1. So it is, so it's around here. So here, if we try to the 200, so this is around like this. And then 0.41. 0.41, it is, okay, let us say it's around here. From 200 until 300. So it should be like this. So this is the histogram. Okay, that's for number 2. Now we go to number 3. Okay, for this number 3, we have a cylinder and a sphere and has a water as a cylinder. And then it asks you, we have a radius 12 and a radius sphere 3. So it says only half of the sphere. So we have to find the volume of the half sphere first. So half times 4 over 3 pi r cubed. The r is 3 cubed. This, if we simplify it, we shall get this 3 squared. So 9 times 2 is 18 pi. 18 pi. And then we have to calculate the volume of the water cylinder. Water cylinder. So it is pi r squared times its base area times height. So pi, the radius is 12 squared, and then the h is 3. So here we shall get this times 3. 432 pi. And then we have to calculate how much the volume after we already minus with the half sphere. So volume after decrease, after removal sphere. So it should be 432 pi minus 18 pi. So it shall be 414 pi. So that's for volume of the water. And then we can find the H decrease. It is 414 pi. And then pi, the radius does not change. It's still 12 square times with the H. Then here we shall get that H, it is this 14 divided by 1. So we shall get 2.875 centimeter. And then for the H decrease, it should be 3 minus 2.875. So it should be 0.125 centimeters. So that's for the A. For the B, it asks you to find, okay, so there's another cylinder. So the depth now is 18 centimeter. Okay, so we know the volume of the water is 414 pi. So 414 pi equals to, this time we do not know the radius, so we have to find the radius. So r squared times the height is 18. This gone, so r squared equals to 414 divided by, so 23. So we got the r radius is square root 23 centimeter. So that is for the B. And then for the C, the sphere melt down this. Oh, I see. So can calculate the sphere volume. The sphere volume is this, twice of this 18 pi. So volume of sphere equals to 2 times 18 pi. So it should be 36 pi. And then it say you want to make 30 cube. So the cube has this. So volume of the 1 cube, it should be 1.5 cube. So we shall get 1.5 cube, 3.375 centimeter cube. And then the total volume cube, the 30 times 3.375, 30. So here we got 101.35 centimeter cube. And then we have to find the percentage that it does not use, the metal that is not used. So the volume of the sphere not used. The volume of the sphere 36 pi minus the total volume of the cube that we want to make 101.25 over the volume of the sphere 26 pi times 100%. So we shall get this is 6 101.25 6 pi. So I got about 0.5%. Okay, that is for C. Okay, now we go to number 4. Number 4, it asks us to enlarge the triangle. So this, we enlarge this, so the center is here, 0, 2, and then we may become 3 times like this. So this point become this point, 3, minus 1. And then after, actually, if we got already 1 point, actually we can draw the other point already. So here, if you see this is 2 box, so we want to enlarge become 3 times, so it must be 6 box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's here. So we can make the new box, the enlargement box, this. And then the height from 1 must become 3 box like this. And this is the box. So this one 9, minus 1. And this should be 9, 2. Okay, that's for the eye. And then the eye, it has to rotate the triangle about 4, 2 by clockwise. Okay. So for this 4, 2, 4, 2. So from there, we can calculate 1 point first. So this is 1, and then from there, it is clockwise 90 degrees or 90 degrees. So from this to this, this is the point 4, 3. And then from this, will become this. Let me clean it first. From this, become 90 degrees. So become this. Then for the other one, it can become, if we see, it should be here, 90 degree. Because the size will not change, it only get rotated. So it should be like this. That's for the IIA. And then we reflect the triangle T in the line this. So X plus Y. Okay. So this line, okay, I will clean this first. Okay, let us draw this line first. So this should be 6, 6. The line 6, 6 here. The mirror, this one. So if we draw the mirror, it should be like this. So this point will go to this point. Then this point will go to this point. Then this point will go to, if we mirror it, we go to this point. Okay, so we shall get the triangle like this. That's for the B. Now for the C, that's to describe the triangle from P to Q. Oh, yeah. So from the P, just now it is 4, 2, 4, 2. Just now here. This. Oh, this. Yeah, yeah, this. From P to Q. So this is the P, this is Q. So from here, we can see the single transformation in this one. It is reflection in the line, or the mirror. It is this. That one is line x equals to 4. Okay, that's for the C.